this is Allie, aka Robot Maker Girl. You're watching Technically, and today I'm going to be reviewing Cozmo the Robot. This is not the first time I've unboxed this robot. I actually have earlier on my TikTok, but I wanted to do it again here on YouTube because this guy's just too cool. One of my good friends actually gifted him to me, and he's been a lot of fun to play with, so I thought you guys should check it out. So, let's get started. The packaging is super cute, that's why I've held on to it. And look at this little guy. He's so adorable. Ah. He's so cute. Set him over there for now. Comes with the little booklet for the instructions. I already took the instructions out, so they're not in there, but that's where they would be. He also comes with these little power cubes, which he can use to play with, which is pretty fun. This part's always the hardest. Of course, the charging dock. And the instructions. Oh my goodness. This is actually a coupon, so not instructions. These are instructions, and these are instructions. So we got a couple of quick start guides here. So overall, this is everything your Cozmo should come with. Just look at the cute little guy. He's so cute. He's so little. All right, so let's read the instructions and see how to get this thing started. Hopefully he is still charged from the last time I played with him. If his battery is dead, we might have to make a brief intermission, so we'll see. Okay, so I believe it's charged now, so we're gonna give it a try and see how it goes. So let's see here. Oh. I believe he's on because he's got the 3 little blue dots on there. Okay, so it looks like I needed to connect the Wi-Fi in the settings before I could connect to him, so we'll see how this goes now. Open the app back up. Oh, it's connected. Securing the connection. Oh, these are lighting up now too. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, are you good? You were freaking out a little bit. Hi. Yeah. Hello. Oh, he can recognize me. Hi. He's just staring at me with his little eyes. Oh, you want a high five? Oh! I just gave him a high five. Let's see what we can do with him here in the app. What do you want? Oh, he wants to play Explorer mode. Yeah, that's what you said. Explore indoors in well-lit spaces, drive on flat surfaces, be careful of falling off edges, stay close to Cozmo for the best experience. Okay, so he's gonna go explore something. Oh, it pulls up a camera feed of what he's seeing, so he can see me right now. He's looking around. He can see everything in this room and how messy this room is. Huh. Let's see, it says he's hungry, so I'm gonna try feeding him. Shake the cube, place it where he can see it. Okay, can you see that, buddy? Oh, I'll put it here instead. Yeah, for you. Are you hungry? Oh. Did you eat it? I'm guessing he did. I'm gonna have to feed him again, I think. Here, we'll put this one here so you guys can watch. Here, it's over there. He turned all the way around so he could eat that. I can feed you again, I guess, then you'll be full on health. I don't know if he has health. I think he just lives forever, but he's a little bit nearsighted or farsighted or something. He can only see things that are close to him, I guess. Okay, so now he's fully fed. So that's done. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. Oh, don't fall off. Don't fall. Yeah, you can't go over there. Yeah, that was close. Don't fall. Let's try having him learn how to stack some cubes. He can create a stack of 2 cubes. Let's try that. Can you do that, bud? Here, I'll put this one closer to you, too. Oh, he picked it up. Where you going, bud? Oh. It's over here. He's just like me, he gets lost. There you go. See, now you see it. Hey, good job! It says his treads also need to be aligned, so we'll do that. So we'll go down, up, down, send. Okay, looks like he is all tuned up, but he still wants to play, so let's see what all he can play. It says paddle ball. I don't know what that is. Oh, he's gonna look straight at me. You're getting ready to play there, bud? Okay, once you tap the start flag, move your head up and down to control the paddle. Score points by bouncing the ball past Cosmo's paddle. Try not to let Cosmo score by bouncing the ball past yours. Your paddle's on the left and Cosmo's paddle's on the right. The first to win 3 points wins. Interesting, okay. Let me get the GoPro over here so you can see what I'm seeing when I play this. Okay, here we go. Cosmo Playtime, let's do this. Hi! Oh, I stink at this. Oh, you lost a point. I'm on this side, huh? Oh. Okay, so this head tracking is a little difficult. You have to be really gentle with the movements here. I'm literally playing Pong on this robot's face. He's so cute. Ooh, ooh. Okay, this is a long round. Let's see. Ooh. It's getting faster. This is a long round. Oh, I got a point. Whoops. Oh, and then I lose immediately. Okay, last one here wins. Oh, he's really fast. Oh. I have to like stand up and sit down. Okay. Oh, I lost. Oh. Listen, I'm playing it on your face, so obviously you would win. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay. Let's not play that again. Oh, I got a bonus box here in the app. I don't know what that does. He got more sparks. So I think the sparks are what allow you to play games with him. My audio is gonna be horrible on this video because it keeps singing. So I think he used the sparks to play with him in the app. What other tricks can he do? He can do a wheelie. Let's have you do a wheelie. Here. Oh, goodness gracious. Here. Oh, you need a cube to pop a wheelie? Okay, let's try it. Hello? Here, do you want another one? Did you find one? Oh, you're gonna do this one. Let's try it. Whoa! Hey, that was pretty cool. He gets so proud of himself when he does something. He's so cute. Let's do a free time thing. Okay, so this one he just kind of does whatever he wants. So let me see if I can screen record this to show you guys. Oh, he sees a cube. What do you think of that, buddy? Oh, he's gonna do something. Oh, he did another wheelie. Hey. Oh, he sees another cube. He's gonna be exploring. Oh. Hi. Oh, he identifies me as human. Is that a threat? Oh, you want a fist bump? Let's do it. Did you do it? Ooh. There you go. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you want to play a game? What game do you want to play? You want to play Keep Away? Okay. Okay, it has another video tutorial here. He needs one cube. We use one of them that I know has batteries. I'm gonna set it right in front of you, and then I'm supposed to pull it away before he pounces on it. Oh! Oh no! Okay, listen. I'm scared. How do I know when you're gonna pounce? Oh! Oh, I got it. Oh. Hey, I'm awful. I'm losing this game to the robot. If I just hold it really far away. Oh, no, I still lose. Oh, you're still winning though, dude. I'm gonna lure him closer to be more in front of the camera. He's sneaking up on me. Is that a threat? Oh. Oh. Okay, now we're tied. Now we're tied. Oh. Oh. I won. Finally. He's looking at the camera like, can you believe this? Let's see. Let's do Meet Cozmo. I don't know if he remembers me. I programmed my face into him at one point, which sounds weird. Yeah! You know my name. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Let's do Explorer mode again. See what you enjoy watching. You looking around, bud? Oh, you see the face on my shirt. You see Scully on my shirt and you think it's a person. Is that what's you see Scully on my shirt and you think it's a human? Bro, my eyes are up here. Just cover it up. In the app, there is a code lab where I believe you can program him yourself. Let's see. Laser Blitz, Haywire, Puzzle Palace. There are so many different things you can do in this app. Tread tracker. What is that? Let's try sandbox mode. New project. Okay, so it lets you program it with block programming, whatever you want pretty much. So let's try this here. Let's program. Ooh, you can have him do like imitations of things. Let's see. I'm gonna make the best program. Let's see how this does. And we'll hit start. That was really cute, but I feel bad for putting you through that. Let's do something that's not a sneeze, and that's a little, makes me feel less guilty. What is this? Why is there a heartbreak emoji? I don't want to, what is this? I am so sorry. No, stop that. We're not doing that to you, bud. I didn't think it would actually do it when I clicked on it. We need to do something happy. We need to do something happy. I don't want to make you mad. Why would anybody ever want to make you mad, you little perfect robot? What is this? Act like what? Sometimes when you hover over it, it'll read it and then I don't. Act like a winner. Yeah, you're a winner, dude. Let's try that. Let's try this here. Oh, see, he feels accomplished because he did that. That's so cute. I'm gonna get copyright claimed. Bro, no! Bro, no! Did you see that? He just, no, stop trying to jump off the cliff. No! Are you good? Do you want a cube? Here, play with a cube. Don't jump off a cliff. That's safer. He won't stop looking at me. He's so cute. I always love hanging out with Cozmo. He's so cute. He's like having a little pet, but almost better because he never dies and, you know, he can do wheelies and stuff. So there's that. He's just casually gonna, okay. He likes to do wheelies. He heard me say wheelie and he was like, it's my time to shine. Don't jump off a cliff. Don't do it. What do you mean you're thinking about it? Anyway, as you can see, there's a lot of things you can do with Cozmo. He's very unpredictable. He's got his own little personality. And the fun part is he kind of can entertain himself too. As you can see, I'm just talking to you guys here and he's just kind of chilling, playing with his cubes and stuff. So yeah, I believe that's all for today. I would recommend this guy, super adorable. Lots of things you can do with him, you won't get bored. I mean, who could get bored of this guy? He's so cute, look at his tiny little face. He turned towards the camera for me. Yeah, he's just too adorable. I don't know what to say. This is a really cute robot, and I enjoyed sharing him with you guys today. So if you guys want to see more with Cozmo, let me know in the comments. Would you give this guy a try? Let me know. He's so strong. I keep thinking he's gonna flip over. He doesn't. He's like a little forklift. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed sharing Cozmo with you today. Let me know what else you want to see me review or play with or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Yeah, he agrees. He agrees. He's nodding his head, yes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Here, say bye. Oh, he does not want to be on my hand. Anyway, goodbye everybody, and I will see you in the next video.